Omar was a 35-year-old man who always seemed angry. Whether at home or at work, his mood was sharp, his words harsh. At home, his wife tried her best to talk calmly, but Omar would snap at her over small things. His children grew quiet when he entered the room. At work, his team feared his temper. Files were tossed, voices raised. Peace was nowhere to be found in Omar's world. One evening, after a particularly exhausting day, Omar found himself alone in a park. The silence around him made his own heart feel louder, heavy with guilt, confusion, and tiredness. Just then, an old man, white beard and soft eyes, sat beside him. He didn't ask anything, just smiled gently and said, "You know, when we aren't kind to ourselves, we become harsh with others too." Omar looked at him, surprised. "I'm not harsh with myself," he said defensively. The old man smiled again. "When was the last time you forgave yourself?" Omar fell silent. That night, Omar looked into the mirror at home. For the first time, instead of judging his face, he just stared. Then slowly, he smiled. He whispered, "I will try to be better, not perfect." The next morning, something changed. He greeted his wife with warmth. He hugged his kids. At work, instead of shouting, he listened. His coworkers smiled. His home felt lighter. Bit by bit, as Omar became kinder to himself, his world began to reflect that same kindness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the page.
For more educational videos and stories, subscribe our channel and follow the Facebook page.